What's up, beautiful people, and I welcome you all again to day 17 of saving and investing for the period of 90 days, which we are definitely going to be cashing out our money on the 1st of January 2026. So let me know in the comment section, have you saved for today? Have you started? Which platform or which fintech platform are you making use of? Right? Of course, I am making video every single day for the period of the 90 days to always notify us or remind us to save for or invest for the day. Okay, for me, I've already saved mine using this platform called Cowrywise. Let me know the platform you are making use of. Are you joining, or did you join PiggyVest in their own 90-day challenge? Let me know how it's going. Have you started? Let me know in the comment section. How much have you saved so far? Let me know in the comment section. If you have not started, let me know the reason why you've not started. If you don't even know your whereabouts, let me know in the comment section. I really want to interact with every single one of us, right? Yes. So if you're coming across this video for the first time, or if you're discovering this challenge for the first time, please, I don't want you to feel like you're too late to join the challenge. I want you to start today. Yes, start today, and that is the only way that you can prove that you are serious to do something about your finance. The tip that is going to keep you consistent throughout the 90-day challenge is cutting down on your expenses and then automating your saving, right? Yes. If you can be able to reduce the way you spend, that means you are going to definitely have enough money to that is going to take you throughout the whole challenge. And automating your saving is going to enable you to stay consistent. Yes, because it will always debit the amount you want to be saving every day. That's if you want to be saving, right, from your local bank account, send it to the fintech platform you're making use of seamlessly without you even lifting a finger, right? Yes. So if you've gotten to this point, click the like button. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and join this beautiful family by clicking on our subscription button. Please don't forget to turn on the bell notification. So we'll keep doing this for a period of 90 days, and this is our day 17, right? Yes, keep winning and always know that Leo loves you. And until tomorrow, that I'm going to see you again, comrade. We'll go again tomorrow. Bye.